Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing some stuff on WolframAlpha. We're gonna be looking at some very long, at 10 animals and how long they are. So let's begin. The first one will be length of a blue whale. So I searched up 14 animals, how long they are, and decided which 10 are the longest. Blue whale is the longest I looked. It is 82 to 100 feet. The maximum recorded length, 110 feet. It's 13 to 23 people lined up. God, okay. So next we're gonna do length of sperm whale. They eat giant squid. What? Wait a second. Length of sperm whale. What? Wait a second. Sorry guys, something's wrong. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to skip that and go to colossal squid. Actually, no, I have an idea. Let's try this. Let's see if this will work. Okay, fine, it doesn't work. So we're gonna skip to colossal squid. Okay. The colossal squid. Okay. Okay. So like, it's 46 feet. This stuff's wrong, guys. Okay, this stuff's wrong. I don't know why it says that, but this stuff's wrong. Okay, guys. The maximum recorded length, 46 feet. Okay, and yeah, fraction of a human value, 0.63 to 1. The next one on the line is the giant squid. Okay, let's see. Result, 33 feet. 11 yards, 10 meters, 1,000 centimeters. Okay. Fraction of a human value is 5.3 to 7.1. Oh. Next up. Yeah, guys, so next we're going to do length of anaconda. It's the longest snake discovered. 20 to 30 feet. With a 69 meters, 600 to 900 centimeters. So the maximum recorded length is 31 feet. Fraction of a human value is 3.2 to 64.4. Okay. Next is going to be a great white shark. So yeah, let's go. It says 15 to 20 feet, which is 180 to 240 inches, 5.5 to 2.6.5 to 6.6 yards. 4.66 meters is a 460 to 600 centimeters. The scientific name is Carcharodon Carcharias, maybe? So 515 to 20 feet, but the maximum recorded length, gosh, 39 feet. And says maximum fishing record length is 15 feet. God, 39 feet, gosh. That's more than even the most of anaconda, gosh. So, okay, let's see. So, yep. So, yeah, fraction of a human value is 2.4 to 4.3. And next, we're gonna do a king cobra. As you can see, it's great teeth as an anaconda. Okay. 13 feet, 4.4 yards, 160 inches, 4 meters, 400 centimeters. The fraction of a human, so the maximum recorded length is 18 feet. However, the fraction of a human value is 2.1 to 2.9. After the king cobra, we have a tiger. So yeah. Yeah. So the length of a tiger is 6.6 to 12 feet, 2.2 to 4 yards, 679 to 150 inches, 2 to 3.7 meters, 200 to 370 centimeters. So it's normally 6.6 to 12 feet, but however, the maximum recorded length is 13 feet. Okay, scientific name, Panthera tigris, or tigress, I don't know how to say it. So yep, the fraction of human value 1.1. So at minimum, it's around how the length of a human to 2.6. Next we're gonna do length of lion and then length of cougar. So yeah, let's go. Result is 9.8 feet, so that's almost 10 feet, 3.3 yards, 120 inches, and 3 meters, 300 centimeters. I'll guess an information. So yeah. Oh wow, the tail itself is like 26 to 39 inches. Wow. That's a long tail. So it's like 1.6. The fraction of human value is 1.6 to 2.1. And then now we have length of cougar. The last one we're gonna do today. So yeah. Oh, mountain lion. Okay. I guess cougars are mountain lions. Okay. So 80 to 95 inches. Which is like 6.7 feet to 8 feet. 6.7 feet to 8 feet, about. No, 6.7 feet to 7.9 feet. Yeah. It's 2.4 to 2.41 meters. 204 to 241 centimeters. So yeah. So tail length, wow, that's also a long tail, 24 to 35 inches. The fraction of human value is 1.1 to 1.7. So yeah, even at the longest, it's still not more than double. So it's more or less it's more similar to the measurement of human. It's more or less similar. And yeah, guys, with that concludes our episode. I hope you enjoyed this as always. And until next time, bye-bye, guys.